This is the shoulder panel. The intent behind this, I need to think of something creative where I can have this swing out and retract back. According where you'll see the hook facing this way. We're going to take rubber bands, we're going to hook it, the receiving end that's going to hook that will be basically the head of a thumbtack.
Squidward! Firmly grasp it in your hand. Firmly grasp it.
You'll see this end, this part, it's going to be laid down like this. So that way, upper arm has room to move laterally. That's something that I can't say my first cosplay. Edge that you'll see right here, we're going to go ahead and
Firmly grasp it.
right here. And so make sure that I press it into the edge. It has to be very, very close. And make sure that we press it into the crevices. Here, let's add this thumbtack. The rubber band is just right about there, so we're going to probably put it on the inside. What we're going to do is put a little glue right here. Right there. Let's not have it twist. That's also an important thing. You don't want to have it done. And now we got to do the same thing on the other side. Pause it. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with this as well. Okay, do this. Just lock it here. And put it right here. Zoom back. And this is what it looks like. Eventually, once this dries up, we'll go ahead and do some test fits. If it doesn't work, then I will likely go ahead and just probably make a shoulder pad where at least outside line of the upper arm kind of slightly go through, and then maybe a halfway point this gets cut right up here and through the inside. So it's kind of like a 50-50 compromise where my shoulder can't move as much, but I can move my arm outwards a little bit. But that's only if this fails.